In today's video, we're going to make this soccer ball in recognition of FIFA. First order of business as usual, let's go in here and clear our scene. Then I'm going to go into mesh and bring in an icosphere. I want to zoom in so you guys can get a better look at it. Then I'm going to run a level 2 sub D, and then I'm going to apply the modifier. That's going to give us geometry to work with. Once I've done that, I'm going to go to edit mode. I'm going to go to vertex selection. I want to select that center vertex. I'm going to hit Command plus because I'm on a Mac, Control plus if you're on Windows. Going to hit Shift G and then face regions. Then I'm going to hit Control I to invert. And then I want to make sure I get that whole piece by Command plusing it up. Okay. Next, I want to go to the vertex groups and I want to create a vertex group. So I save this selection in case I need to select it again. Hit assign. Now I'm going to go in here and start making some quick materials. The first one here is going to be the overall white, which is for the ball. Then I'm going to hit the plus. I'm going to create a new one. And this is going to be anything that's that dark or black color or that's close to black color. Hit assign for that. I'll go ahead and change the color. And right now that's just quick and dirty just so I can see it. Next, what I want to do is I want to make sure I'm still in edit mode. And I want to go to edge select and I want to create a selection of these shapes right here like you're seeing. I'm going to hit Shift G. And now I want to turn down my threshold because I don't need all this selected. And this allows me to select either less or more depending on my threshold value. And that looks like exactly what I want here. So now what I want to do is bevel this and make sure your shape is 1, because if it isn't, because you'll see I don't do it, I left it at 0.5, your materials will get kind of muddy looking when you start selecting things. But if you just do shape of 1 right here, you don't have that problem. So I hit Command minus. That allows me to select that edge again inside that bevel. So I create a vertex group for it as well. And now what we need to do is we need to bevel it as well. But before we do that, I'm going to hit Alt S, bring it down, and then that's going to suck that selection down into the ball. All right. And now I'm going to bevel it. Just like before, make sure your shape is 1, not 0.5, because we want it to be a little bit more strict here. It's almost similar to doing a crease. So now we pretty much have modeled the ball. And let's go to material preview, and you can see I get like weird artifacts here on my selection because of the way I did my bevel. However, if you do what I did and you screw it up like I did, then the best thing to do, I'm gonna show you kind of a quick way of fixing it. So I made everything white like the ball. I assigned all the white to the ball. Now I'm coming back in. I made my selection for my vertex group of my shapes here. And then I went back in the materials and assigned that black just to that selection. But you see how it's kind of going outside the boundaries there? That's because I did not select the value of 1. So what I did to fix it after the fact is I selected the edge around the shape. And then I hit Shift E to do a mean crease. And then I brought it in the value of 1 and it sucked it back in. All right, so now we're going in here and we're going to do that black fill on the vertices or the edges that are between those shapes of the ball. It just gives it a little bit of dimension, if you will. And as you see, I have removed the value off of the larger shapes that were black before, and I'm just bringing them back. I just wanted to do it just so you guys could see what I was doing with those little small edges. And from here, you can add bump mapping to it. You can add diffusion to it. Not diffusion, displacement to it. Or whatever to give it texture. I didn't. I just wanted to show you guys how to do the ball. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. And I did a little bit of tweaking on it. Stuck some grass in the stadium back there. And that's like the final thing. You're done. If you like this content, you like this video, please do me a favor by liking, subscribing, and clicking that notification bell. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.